Specifically, we specialize in Lake Michigan recovered artifacts. And those are more exciting because they're so bad when they come out of the lake. So the contrast between near mint condition and the way they looked when they came out of the lake is very exciting. It's very satisfying. So we feel a sense of urgency to preserve history, but probably my favorite thing about this entire program is the volunteers that I work with.
It's a great, great family here. Each day is a different fun time. I love it.
We all are a bunch of jokers here, and we tease each other. And everybody that works here, you walk in and they're smiling most of the time.
The camaraderie is probably one of the biggest things because you have such a mix of people. Most of us are veterans, which makes it even better. You know, when you can, what we called in the service, kibitz with each other.
I thought I knew so much about aviation till I came here and learned I got a lot to learn. And that's the beauty of this place, is that you can learn every day. You learn something new.
I knew nothing about radial engines when I came here, and now I know a little bit about radial engines. But my mentor, Ken Kelly, is 91 years old, and just being here with him, and I'm here almost every day, just being here at the same time he is just amazing.
I'm trying to teach Tim everything I know on that airplane. This is valuable to me because I help restore stuff so that next generation, my grandkids and great-grandkids can see it.
It's an amazing thing for kids and for people that come in here. They just love to hear, you know, about these airplanes and where they came from.
Once I came over here and saw all the love and the passion and the ambition to get these planes to look like they do in the other campus, I think you have a different appreciation for how hard the work is to get done and to make them look as good as they make them over there. When I grab a piece of metal or something else, I know a man had this 70 years ago in his hand and did something with it that's similar to what I'm going to do to it. So I kind of like that. Matter of fact, I love that part of it.